Hi, it's Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian. Got a note last week from Condo Clear, the company that does a lot of condominium work around British Columbia. One of the things they were talking about was home warranty. Now, when you're buying into a condominium building, it comes with the warranty, 2510. Now, you want to make sure the building is actually looking after that warranty on your behalf. That's the point of a strata council. They have to follow the rules and the guidelines for when to submit and how to submit so you don't run into problems on that. As the homeowner of the strata unit itself, inside, you need to be on top of things that are going on in your own suite. Now, usually after a year, they're going to come back in and do some nail pops. Sometimes that happens in all construction, actually. And so make a list, talk to your strata, and make sure you're taking the time to be on top of those inspection details, because if it runs out, then you're going to be on your own. If you like 60 Seconds with Ian, make sure you go to my YouTube channel and subscribe. And if you'd like to book an appointment with me, just hit the button below and I'll get back to you right away. Okay? Have a great day.